Assalamualaikum people, and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a beautiful air fryer chicken recipe. I was really overwhelmed by the response from the previous video I uploaded on the KORYO air fryer review, and many of you wanted to see how to make different recipes in KORYO air fryer. So here I am with the KORYO air fryer recipe, and you can also watch the video I have uploaded few months back, which is in the I button. So today I am making here a chicken kebab, which is so tender and so amazing to eat, and it's so quick. So I have taken 6 big pieces of chicken legs and few more pieces from the wings, and I have marinated it for almost 6 hours. So for marination I have used curd, yogurt, and all kind of spices like zira, dhania, and garlic ginger paste, and onion paste as well, and also added 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and rubbed it very evenly and massaged the chicken and kept it for almost 6 hours to marinate. After 6 hours, before adding the chicken in the air fryer, we need to brush it with a little bit of oil. It almost just half a teaspoon of oil is required. Now preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. The chicken is very well marinated, and now we will put the chicken into the air fryer pan. But before that, my mother has used some corn flour to coat the chicken, which gives a beautiful dark brown coating over the chicken once it's cooked, and it gives a crispiness outside and the inside is so juicy. Now place the leg pieces into the pan, using the space wisely, as a pan diameter is not much in size. So we have placed 6 big leg pieces using the space in this manner. Now we will fry the chicken for 20 minutes in the air fryer, and 20 minutes is all you need to make this beautiful recipe of chicken kebab, which is so tender inside and crispy outside. But at the same time, after 10 minutes, we have to flip it over so that it's evenly cooked. So after 10 minutes we are flipping over for the chicken to cook evenly, but within 10 minutes you can see how beautifully it is browned. And now after 20 minutes it's finally cooked from both sides. Can you believe we just cooked beautiful chicken kebab, which is so crispy outside and tender inside, with just 1 teaspoon of oil? Look how tender it is. It was so soft from inside, but it was completely cooked. And now we added the rest of the chicken pieces that were left into the second batch. And here my beautiful chicken kebab is ready. It was so yummy and so tender. Guys, if you don't have KORYO air fryer, you can also make it in micro oven. It's the same process but takes a longer time. Now a little bit of tasting review.
Hi Akil.
Hi Ola. Hi. Hi Eddie.
Hello.
Hi Eddie. Chicken.
Iti tumi try kora. Dujone try kora sun keneka hoise.
Sosun Akil keneka hoise. One piece. First one. Tasty. Eneka dekhai dia. Eneka dekhai dia.
Tumi khai sosun eta ek
piece.
piece.
Eta bite dia.
Soft hoise ne?
Yummy.
Akil, you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Tasty. Yummy. Mazedar. Lababdar. Chickendar. Chicken tangri.
Tumaloke khai asa moi khaboi na pam.
Tum video kora. Tum video kora. Na tumi video kora.
Moi loi jai etu nale khai pelaba guti. Era more.
Very tasty. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. बहुत ভাল লাগিছে